જય જિનેન્દ્ર, હેપી બર્થડે. કેમ છે? બરાબર છે ને? બરાબર છે તું? સંભાળીને જાજો, સંભાળીને આવજો. રસ્તો બહુ છે, ચોમાસું છે તે ખાડા ખોચા હશે. અને તારી સાસુને ને સસરાને બધાને મારી યાદી કે છે.
बार दिन आई बार बार दिन जाए तुम जियो हजारों सा है मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू ध्वनि हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हमेशा सुखी रहो और तबियत તમારી સુખરૂપ રહે એ જ અમારા આશીર્વાદ છે અંતરના. હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વનિ.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Dagni. Happy birthday to you. મારી લાટતીવાઈ લક્ષ્મી તો અવતાર
યશુને રાત પડે તો જાગે છે સવાર દીકરી મારી લાડકવાઈ લક્ષ્મીનો અવતાર. દીકરી અમારા ઘરે આવે ત્યારે ઘર ભરેલું ભરેલું લાગે છે અને પછી જ્યારે જાય ત્યારે ઘર ખાલી થઈ જાય છે. આવે ત્યારે એકદમ જ આનંદ અને ઉમંગ થઈ આવે છે. ધ્વનિને અમારા ફોટાનો બહુ જ શોખ છે. અમારા ફેમિલીમાં અમારે કોઈને પણ ફોટો જોતો હોય તો અમે એને ફોન કરીએ તો અમને તરત જ મળી જાય અને અમે એમને જે પણ કામ બતાડીએ તે તરત જ અમને કરી આપે. તું તારી લાઈફમાં આગળ વધે એવા અમારા અંતરના આશીર્વાદ છે. તારું કામ અને તું બરોબર એકદમ સારી રીતે કરજે અને ઘરમાં વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે બધાની સાર સંભાળ રાખજે. હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વનિ.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ધોની. ધોની સ્ટાર્ટ થાય એનું ફર્સ્ટ અક્ષર ડી. ડી એટલે ડિગ્રી. ડી એટલે દીકરી અને સૌથી સૌથી ડિયરેસ્ટ દીકરી છે. 4 દીકરીઓમાં સૌથી નાની છે અને નાનામાં નાની દીકરી સૌથી વધારે હોશિયાર છે. અને બીજું ડી ફોર ડોંકી એટલે બધું જ કામ કરે. બધી રીતે ઘરનું બહારનું બધું જ કામ એ કરી શકે. કોઈ પણ કામમાં એ ક્યારેય ના પાડે જ નહીં. એટલે આપણે આ કામ કરીએ કે દાદા ભલે બાપા ભલે થઈ જશે કે એ મને બાપા કે બાપા થઈ જશે. ધોની આ કામ કરવું છે ભલે બાપા થઈ જશે. એને મારા ઘણા બધા કામ કર્યા છે. એને બધા વિડીયો જોવાનું અને આલ્બમ બનાવવાનું આ બધું શીખવાડવાનું મને ધોની ડિયરેસ્ટ ધોની. કોંગ્રેચ્યુલેશન એન્ડ હેપી બર્થડે. ઓલ ધી બેસ્ટ ઇન ધ ફ્યુચર. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
H for hardware. અમારા ફોટાઓના અમારા ફેમિલીના ફોટા.
W થી એક જ વસ્તુ કહેવાય ધોની માટે, વાહ ધોની વાહ.
એ એટલે ઓલવેઝ એક્સાઇટેડ. કાંઈ પ્લાન કરવું હોય, કાંઈ બનાવવું હોય, ડિનર માટે મળવું હોય, ઘરે મળવું હોય, ઓલવેઝ રેડી એન્ડ ઓલવેઝ એક્સાઇટેડ.
એમનું નાની બધા ફિલ્મમાં સૌથી નાની.
Hi Dhwani, happy 8th of July. For us, 8th of July is a very important day because it's our Bhabhi ji ka birthday. And when it's Bhabhi ji ka birthday, Jinesh is planning from 6th of Jan what to do, how to do, where to go, what to get, what kind of gifts to get, what kind of surprise to give. And he involves us all. And I'm pretty sure that most of them will tell you Dhwani means sound and this and that, Dhwani is bubbly and all. But for us, Dhwani means loud. Dhwani means always mixing up with everybody, making everybody comfortable and having a good time, getting everybody together, making them enjoy things and getting all the family together. It's really great to share the same experience with you because you're also an outsider to the family and I'm also an outsider to the family. But both of us have gelled up with this Gala family so well, the DS gang as they call. And it's really good to see that the kind of bond everybody shares with each other and how well you've gelled up with everyone. So once again, happy birthday, and this is my 9th take, so please bear with me and accept this as my final video. Thank you.
Hi Dhwani, many happy returns of the day. I hope your birthday has been filled with surprises by now, and I hope you're enjoying your birthday. We shall definitely celebrate your birthday much greater probably next year, but this year stay safe, take care and have a happy quarantine birthday. Thank you.
Bye bye.
दिलदार नेतृत्वाचा दणदणीत आवाज, पाऊंनी विचार केला तर पावसाळ्यात धुराळा उडवणारे, हिवाळ्यात वातावरण तापवणारे आणि उन्हाळ्यात एका नजरेत समोरच्याला गार करणारे, दोस्तीच्या दुनियेतील राजा माणूस.
Happy birthday, Dhanani! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dhwani. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dhwani.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
May God bless you and may all your dreams come true. Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Dhwani Masi.
मुबारक हो तुमको ये जन्मदिन तुम्हारा, सदा खुश रहे तू ये दुआ है हमारी.
मुबारक हो तुमको ये बर्थडे तुम्हारा, सदा खुश रहे तू ये दिल से दुआ हमारा. Many happy returns of the day, Dhwani. Wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you. You enjoy your birthday as always, and always keep happy and charming like that. Bye.
Dhwani. Dhwani means sound. Sound of happiness, sound of cheerfulness, sound of liveliness, and sound of love.
Right.
Always bubbling and chirping and clicking photographs of everybody, and definitely putting our personal photographs on the Instagram also. So, on this iconic 2020 birthday, 8th July 2020, we wish you a very happy birthday. You being the youngest of us 5, always hold a very special place in our heart.
Yes.
Just be the way you are. Keep rocking. Happy birthday, Dhwani. Enjoy your day.
All the best.
Masi. Hope you have an amazing day, and as you say, I'll always be a lucky charm. Happy birthday once again. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Dhoni.
Happy birthday, Dhoni. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Stay blessed.
Happy birthday.
हाँ है कोई तो वजह क्यों जीने का मजा यूं आने लगा, ये हवाओं में है क्या थोड़ा सा जो नशा यूं जाने लगा। पूछो ना पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी बातों में आकर, पूछो ना पूछो मुझे क्या हुआ है तेरी यादों में आकर। ये इश्क हाय बैठे बिठाए ना 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 ना। Dhwani, this song is dedicated especially for you because I always remember you when I see Kareena Kapoor in this movie. Wish you a very happy and blessed birthday with lots of fun. Keep smiling as always. And here I transfer my video to Yogesh.
Hi Dhoni, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Wish you all the best for all your work and have a very healthy and a very happy life.
Hi Dhwani, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy the birthday in the lockdown. Hopefully all of this gets over soon and all of us can meet and party hard. Till then, enjoy the long drives, music, and keep taking pictures. Happy birthday once again. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Dhwani. Please say happy birthday, Dhwani, Fia.
Happy birthday, India.
Have a good day.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Mwah. Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, Dhwani. Have a superb, fantabulous, amazing birthday.
Happy birthday, Dhwani. Wish you all the best for the future and have a fun.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Jan, bol happy birthday. Have a rocking birthday.
Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Hi Dhwani, happy birthday. Always be cheerful the way you are.
God bless you and you have a wonderful day and a fantastic year ahead.
Happy birthday, Dhwani.
Wishing you a beautiful day, good health and happiness forever.
Enjoy your day, be safe, take care.
And God
Cheers.
bless.
Hi, Dhwani. Wish you very happy birthday. God bless you.
હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વનિ, તારા આવવાથી અમારા ફેમિલીમાં રોનક આવી ગઈ અને તું હંમેશા હસતી અને ખુશ રહેજે. હેપી બર્થડે.
Hi Dhwani. Hope this quarantine birthday is going good with you.
We've been the first here. I've been the first brother-in-law and you've been the first sister-in-law to everyone. You've taken a lot of initiatives for everyone and gelled up really fast with everyone. Just always be the same and happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Wishing you many happy returns of the day, Dhwani Bhabhi.
May your bucket lists get fulfilled.
Have a great rocking year ahead. Happy,
Be positive, enthusiastic, excited as always. Happy birthday once again.
Hi, Dhwani. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday.
ધ્વનિ અમારી તો એટલી ફાઇન આવી ગઈ કે વાત પૂછો નહીં. એકદમ ફ્રી માઇન્ડની, છોકરાઓને લાગતું જ નથી કે ધ્વનિ ભાભી અમારા ઘરની છે. એ બી એવી ફ્રી માઇન્ડની રહે છે છોકરાઓની આરે.
No. Dhwani is a voice, a watch. Cut, award. Dhwani is a very nice girl. You know, you comes in DS gang. So all DS gang change. You know, અમારા ઓલા ત્રણ ભાઈઓ નાના
You look here.
ઋષભ, પાર્થ અને કોણ ઓલો દિવ્યમ, અને એનો મોટો ભાઈ એટલે આપણો જયેશભાઈ, એની આ વાઈફ ઇઝ અ વેરી ફાઇન. પછી આવી લગન બગન
Look here,
કર્યા ને
please.
પછી આવી આપણે સ્મિતાબેનની ત્યાં, સ્મિતાબેનની નરેશભાઈ ઇઝ અ વેરી હેપી, હાઈ, ફાઇન, as a good બહુ. એને બહુ મજા આવી. એને આખા ઘરને એવી રીતે સંભાળી લીધું છે. ઇઝ અ પરફેક્ટ. ખાવાનું બદલાઈ ગયું, ખાવાનું ઇઝ અ જીનિયસ. શું કહેવાય, બહુ મજા આવે. અલગ અલગ જાતની રેસીપી બનાવે. આપણે આ લોકો તો કોઈ જોયેલું જ નહીં, ધનાધન ખાયા કરે, બેઉ જણા મજા કરે. અને ભાવ ને હા અને પ્રાગપર ગામમાં તો ખબર પડી કે ધ્વનિ આવી છે હો થઈ ગઈ. એ નરેશભાઈ, એ સ્મિતાબેન આંગ્યો તો બા ખોલી ગયા દિવસ. અરે એરો આયના બાપા કરો ચાણે. જીનેશ એકદમ ધન્ય થયો, વચારો સીધો સાધો એ ખીલી ગયો, આમ ગોલ મટો જેવો, ક્યાં ને ક્યાં પહોંચી ગયો. એનું દિમાગ જ બદલાઈ ગયું. પહેલાં બિચારો કેવો ભોગ્યો હતો, જ્યારથી આ આવી ત્યાંથી એનું આખું બધું અલગ જ થઈ ગયું બધું. અમને ખબર નહીં જીનેશ પહેલાં અંદર આવો એવો હશે. ઓહો, ધ્વનિ ઇઝ અ યુ આર જીનિયસ. વન્સ અગેન હેપી બર્થડે.
હેપી બર્થડે.
Guys, Dhwani Bhabhi, first of all, wish you many happy returns of the day. And I know somewhere you are very much excited about your birthdays. Like me, I'm not. But I just want to thank you, and yeah, special thanks to you because since last 2 years you've been helping me to be enthusiastic about my birthday, and you encourage me to celebrate it no matter what I feel about it. And thank you for that, and I've been enjoying a lot. And I look forward to celebrate it more willingly and happily. Yeah. And coming to your birthday, and I'm really sorry, like, and I'm sure due to this lockdown you might not be able to plan it as you always do. And also Motawai, he always is so excited to plan your birthday, and I know your plans. He was going to, I'm not supposed to say, but he had planned a special destination where he was going to take us for your birthday. But unfortunately, due to this lockdown, it's not happening. But nevertheless, I'm sure he's going to plan something more. He must have, and on this day, while you watch this, you already must have enjoyed your half of the day. Talking about okay, so this time I'm really natural and raw. No scripts, no retakes, to be very honest, and you guys will come to know. I don't know what to say much, but one thing I can say is we both so we share a typical originality in this relationship where I keep on pulling your legs or you keep on pulling my leg. We both argue a lot, and at the same time in the end we both are on equal terms. Like we both agree to some point and we both just get in one team, after all this joke, and it's fine, we both get into one team. And apart from that, there's this originality right from the beginning because unlike others, I know you since a long time. We first met during Garba session, and right from that day, that was natural what's there between us, right? We never got along well. We just kept on, taunting each other, using sarcastic languages, and that's what makes us really good. Our relationship really better, and I'm sorry, I'm not really good with the words right now because I haven't prepared. But yeah, apart from this, I am going to put a good post for you, of course. So I still have many days. Apart from this, have a lovely day. Enjoy your birthday, and I'm really sorry that you won't be able to enjoy it as the rest of the birthdays, but it's okay. You have a whole good life ahead. You have a whole future ahead. So cheers to more exciting and lovely birthdays ahead and a wonderful life. May God bless you and love you all. Bye.
Hi Dhwani, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dhwani.
જે તારો હસતો ચહેરો અને સપોર્ટિવ નેચર અને જે તું ડીએસ ફેમિલીમાં બધાને એકસાથે
એકજૂટ કરીને રાખે છે એ બહુ જ ગમે છે અમને અને આવી રીતે જ હંમેશા રહે છે.
હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વની ભાભી, તમે એકદમ આ રહ્યા છો ઉત્સાહી અને વી આર સો લકી એન્ડ હેપી દેટ તમે અમારા ફેમિલીમાં આટલું મિક્સ થઈ ગયા અને અમને એકદમ મતલબ યુ હેવ બીન વેરી સપોર્ટિવ એન્ડ ગાઈડિંગ ટુ મી અને one of the very cool bhabhi that we have ever had. So love you and thank you so much for being such a wonderful bhabhi and happy birthday bhabhi.
Happy birthday buddy babu.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Dhwani Masi.
Happy birthday Dhwani Masi.
Happy birthday Dhwani.
Happy birthday Dhwani.
Happy birthday to you.
હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વની. જજો કમાયો, જજો ગયા વધો. લાઈટ ચાલુ હે તે બોલે જો ના હે.
Happy birthday Dhwani.
Dhanudi Fatudi.
Hi Dhwani.
Wish you many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Dhwani, you are a younger sister, smart, energetic and photogenic.
Be as you are. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Stay safe, stay healthy.
ધોની જન્મદિવસ મુબારક.
Happy birthday Dhwani.
Happy birthday to you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day Dhwani.
Dhwani Masi.
Happy birthday Dhwani.
Have a great year ahead.
And an evening too.
क्या मेरे सुनने में आया आज आपका बर्थडे है? सही बात है? किसी ने अफवाह तो नहीं फैलाई ना? सही बात है. अच्छा, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi Dhwani. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead.
A special wishes to a person who is always young by heart. Many happy returns of the day Dhwani.
ધ્વનિ એટલે આવા ઈ બે વગી એટલે નક્કી ધ્વનિ આવે એવી.
છેલ્લા 1 મહિનાથી જે દિવસની રાહ જોઈ રહી હતી એ દિવસ આજે આવી ગયો. મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે ધ્વનિ.
તારું આવનારું વર્ષ સુખમય, શાંતિમય અને સમૃદ્ધિમય જાય એવી અમારા તરફથી હાર્દિક શુભેચ્છાઓ.
ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ ધ્વનિ.
હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વનિ.
Happy birthday to you. We are heading out of our house to meet you.
Till then you will see this video, we will already wish you once. So, once again, happy birthday Dhwani.
Dhwani, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope all your dreams come true and you remain same, full of life and laughter always. And stay blessed.
Happy birthday! Well, happy birthday, Biva. I hope you are having a good time and everybody at your home are fine and safe. Same goes for you. Well, different birthday, but I know that you will be enjoying this birthday like always, like you enjoy your life. Well, it's been 15 years that we know each other, almost 15 years, but as you know, it always feels like we've met for the first time and we always pick up from where we've left. That is like our mantra that we have.
Well, our party is pending, our meetup is pending, a lot of things are pending, but right now enjoy your birthday, be safe, be happy, may all your wishes come true, and remember that I'm always there for you. Happy birthday.
Hi Dhwani, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I hope you have a fantastic birthday. To make your birthday a little more memorable, I'm going to throw back to one of the best times that we've had. Are you ready for this? धीरे धीरे चल को न पकड़ के खुल न जाए बोल मुकाला कर ले. Have a great day. Bye.
Hi Dhwani, wish you a very happy birthday. Let us catch up soon someday and relive our childhood memories. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Bye.
Happy birthday to you, Mati. Happy birthday to you, Mati. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Dhwani.
Happy birthday, Dhwani.
ચિત્રકૂટથી પૂનમ બિલિંગ માં તું અને રચના લુકાછીપીની રમત રમતા આજુબાજુ બિલ્ડિંગોમાં છુપાઈ જતા અમે તમને લોકોને શોધતા ક્યાં ગઈ ધ્વનિ રચના એવી અમે લોકો બૂમો મારીને બધાને પૂછતા એવી રમત રમતા રમતા તું આજે મોટી થઈ ગઈ ધ્વનિ તું બહુ મોટી થઈ ગઈ. હેપી બર્થડે ધ્વનિ,
જન્મદિવસ મુબારક.
many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day, Dhwani. I know I'm super late in sending this video to you, but I hope you had an amazing birthday. And what better birthday could you have than going to Devlali in a lockdown? I'm sure you had a blast over there, and you very well know how we became friends. I think it's been about 11 years since we met, and since then we've seen a lot together every Navratri, and I have enjoyed dancing with you so much. I look forward to Navratri so that we can meet more than anything, and I know that whether others are there or not, you as my dancing partner are always going to be there every Navratri. And let me tell you, you are an amazing, fun-loving, jolly girl, and whenever I talk to you, it's always laughter and madness. So be this way, do not change, and I wish you an amazing year ahead. And I know that this year we won't be able to meet for Navratri mostly, but I'm looking forward to next year. So please take care, have an amazing year ahead, and may all your wishes come true.
Happy birthday, Dhoni! Happy 30th! Hope you have lots of fun even in this lockdown and quarantine, and hope our wishes make your day. I wish you have a wonderful year ahead. May all your wishes and dreams come true. And जैसे ही lockdown खत्म होता है हम लोग जल्दी मिलते हैं. But before that, I would like to dedicate a couple of songs, couple of your favorites, and I hope you like it.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया है. किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को बनाया है. किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस का इशारा मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे. किसी के लिए कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता. कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता. तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है जीने की सी केली है। ओ, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजू, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजू, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना। मैं तेनू समझावा के ना तेरे बाजू लगदा जी, मैं तेनू समझावा के ना तेरे बाजू लगदा जी। तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करा इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तू यूं जान मेरी, मैं तेनू समझावा के ना तेरे बाजू लगदा जी। नहीं जीना तेरे बाजू, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजू, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना तेरे बाजू, नहीं जीना, नहीं जीना।
Hey Didi, wish you many many happy returns of the day, babe. Stay blessed, stay happy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Didi. Cheers.
Cheers.
Vani, I still cherish the time when we used to do a lot of talk and walk during the college days. Anyways, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Have a good
Have
one.
a good one. Take care. Bye.
Hey Didi, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God give you all the happiness and good health for upcoming year. Enjoy your day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे ध्वनि करो यार। तो के बर्थडे जो केक ना खाराणो तो हेड टाइम में बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करी थी। करो थकेलो बर्थडे है यार। तो जो शे न केक आए न की पार्टी आए न कोई डीजे आए। असि लोग तो के आखो वरे डीजे बोलाने याद कयूं अने तू ने हकड़ी डीजे जी पार्टी नहीं रखे। जल्दी पार्टी रख हकड़ी तो असि लोग मळे अचू तो बर्थडे में। बाय, हैव फन।
Wishing you a very happy birthday. May you spread smiles and sunshine like you always do. Full of life is the word that comes to my mind when I think of you. I have never had a dull moment with you since the time I met you. So many years and never ever a dull moment. It's always fun. It's always happiness. It's always taking so much pictures together. So cheers to taking much more pictures in future, having so much fun together, having food together, and last but not the least, reaching our fitness goals together. So wishing you a very happy birthday once again. May this year and all the coming years of your life you have happiness, fun of life, good health, and always in each moment of your life just goes smiling. So have a fantastic birthday and enjoy your day. Bye. See you soon.
Hey Radia, Saal Mubarak. Happy birthday to my fighting partner, food partner, Papa step partner, my Sautan, and whatnot. The list may go on and on. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Stay happy, keep smiling.
Happy birthday, Dedia.
भाई बर्थडे है तेरे भाई का बर्थडे है कैंडल्स बुझ गई अब सब में केक बर्थडे है चिक सारी हॉट यहाँ पे कैम सारे ठंडे हैं कैश लिया पूरे साल आज तो मेरा बर्थडे है सारे बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे जोर से बोलो हैप्पी बर्थडे
Hi Dhwani, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you a very, very, very happy quarantine birthday. Enjoy your day. Even Aradhya wishes Chachi happy birthday. Choda.
Excuse me. Oh, hi Dhwani. Birthday wishings from video. Hi, how is work from home? I'm sure same like me. Wish you many happy returns of the day, Dhwani. We'll party after the lockdown for sure. Bye. Take care. Hello, Viras.
हाय ध्वनि, ये मौसम का जादू है मितवा. ભજીયા ખાવાની વાત કરે છે, બીજું કાંઈ નથી વાત કરતા.
લોનાવાલા જવાની ઈચ્છા થાય છે.
ટાઈગર પોઈન્ટ, હુક્કા એન્ડ ભજીયા. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a happy birthday, Didi.
Stay home, stay safe. Hello, ladies.
Hi Dhwani, happy birthday. Have a happy celebrated lockdown birthday. We'll party hard when we meet up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Dhwani. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday,
dear.
Dhwani.
Have a nice day
Stay blessed
and rock always.
and hope we meet soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear selfie Chachi. Happy birthday to you.
Hey Dhwani, wish you lots of happiness and wonderful life.
Happy birthday, Dhwani auntie. I love you. I miss you.
How are you? Wish you many happy returns of the day. May all your dreams come true.
Hi Dhwani, happy birthday. Many happy days of the day. Have a great year ahead. Have a blast. Have fun. Be safe and be healthy. Love you.
Hello, Dhwani auntie. This is funny song for you. Happy birthday, Dhwani auntie. I hope you are safe and love you, and I hope we meet soon. Mwah!
Wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy.
Surprise! Hey birthday girl, to my office colleague come friend, chit chat, मस्ती, इधर उधर की बातें करने वाली partner. Wish you a very happy birthday dear. Have a great celebration, a fantastic year, and let's keep enjoying in office. Happy birthday Dhwani. Bye bye. Take care.
Dhwani, wish you a very happy birthday. Enjoy.
Hi girlfriend. Wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Wish you a happy quarantine birthday. And 1 minute, there is one more person wishing you. It's a special one. Just hear it out.
Mercy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Dhwani Masi.
Christmas.
Wish
You
many
many
happy
happy
returns
wishes
of
of
the
the
day.
day.
Happy birthday.
Hey girl, wish you a very happy birthday. Before I had met you, I had always heard about this girl called Dhwani Detia. It was like always Dhwani this, Dhwani that, Dhwani, Dhwani, Dhwani. And then when the very first time we met, I never had difficulty getting into conversation with you, talking to you. We could really gel up well. So since then, I cannot even recollect how many birthdays we have celebrated together. So wish you a very happy birthday on your special day. And I just want to tell you that keep your liveliness alive, be as charming as you are, as bubbly as you are, and keep your crazy thoughts on always. Have fun, have a nice time. Bye, take care. And there's something coming up for you.
Happy birthday. May God bless you with all the play, love, hugs, and blessings. Wish you a very healthy, happy, exceptional, and showering birthday. Enjoy your
Hi Dhwani, wish you many happy returns of the day. May this coming year be full of joy and happiness to you.
Hi Dhwani, wish you many happy returns of the day. May you enjoy this birthday. God bless you and have a blast. A special message for you.
Happy quarantine birthday. Enjoy it.
Happy birthday.
Wishing you a day filled with happiness and a year filled with joy. Sending you smiles every moment for your special day. Have a wonderful time. Hope your special day brings all that your heart desires. Very happy birthday, Dhwani Di. Love you. Take care. Stay safe. Stay happy.
Happy birthday, Dhwani Babu. I love you. This birthday message is short, but my love for you is long and endless. When you are here with me or when we are apart, you're always on my mind and first on my heart. Your birthday marks the end of another year of us being together and the start of many others to come. One promise that I would like to make you on this day, on your special day, is my heart for you will never break, my smile for you will never fade. My love for you will never end. I love you. Happy birthday, my love. You are every reason and every hope and every dream I've ever had, and no matter what happens to us in future, every day we are together is the greatest day of my life. You are my life. Thank you for seeing the best in me and telling me how good I am every day. I am more than grateful and proud of you, calling you mine. I love you endless, and our DJ love, it's more than anything that words could even ever express.